Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to elevate your oral hygiene routine, the Pureline 3 Tongue Cleaner Scraper Oral Care Set. We found this intriguing product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Pureline 3 Tongue Cleaner? This set includes 3 tongue scrapers, each designed to help you maintain fresh breath and optimal oral health. Crafted from high-quality materials, these scrapers are both durable and effective, making them a great addition to your daily oral care regimen. One of the standout features of this tongue cleaner set is its ergonomic design. Each scraper is thoughtfully shaped to comfortably fit the contours of your tongue, allowing for thorough cleaning without any discomfort. The set comes in various colors, adding a touch of fun to your oral care routine. Plus, having multiple scrapers means you can easily share them with family members or keep one in your travel kit. Another important aspect is the ease of use. Simply place the scraper at the back of your tongue and gently pull it forward to remove bacteria, food particles, and plaque. This simple action can significantly reduce bad breath and contribute to overall oral health. Regular use of a tongue scraper like this can help you maintain a cleaner mouth, promoting better taste sensations and reducing the risk of dental issues. So, who is this product suitable for? The Pureline Tongue Cleaner is ideal for anyone looking to enhance their oral hygiene practices. Whether you're an adult seeking to improve your breath or a parent wanting to teach your children good oral habits, this set is perfect for you. It's also an excellent option for those who wear braces or have dental appliances, as these individuals often face additional challenges in maintaining oral cleanliness. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. If you're someone who starts your day with a refreshing routine, incorporating the Pureline Tongue Cleaner can elevate that experience. Imagine waking up, brushing your teeth, and then using the scraper to give your mouth that extra freshness before heading out. Alternatively, it's great to use after meals, especially those that are heavy or pungent in flavor. A quick scrape can help you feel confident and ready to converse without worrying about your breath. In summary, the Pureline 3 Tongue Cleaner Scraper Oral Care Set is a simple yet effective tool for anyone looking to improve their oral hygiene. Its ergonomic design, ease of use, and suitability for all ages make it a must-have in your dental care toolkit. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.